getting in it. I adjusted my exhaust and it's already still rattling back there. That's what that noise is back there. A lot of noise coming up from right here too. Just haven't put a boot on yet. Got by easy on it for the first 500 miles. I get it. What that is. But I want to be broke down in the garage, not here.
within a couple miles an hour now.
Cool.
I didn't even need to use my phone. The location on it just does your GPS speed and then the speed that it says that it says it is. So it kind of splits the difference up.
My dash is pretty much all working now. I got the gauges working, guys. Hold on. Let me get this off. All right, check this out. Everything's working like it should. Both fans are on. Let me get out of here and I'll show you what was going on with that dash. So the problem with the dash is I got under there and I was wondering why it wasn't working, and I found out this wire from the factory was depinned, so that's why it wasn't working. So I had an extra one that I knew was perfect, so I just used it, put it in the gauges. Now they're working like they're supposed to. Kevin and I just did a little calibration on it. It's close enough. I think it's within 5 miles an hour. And then the other time I was driving it and I had to stop suddenly because my intake came off again. And I think it's because this paint's not crappy, but I don't think it's made for heat like this. But it keeps slipping off, so I need to sand these down and paint them with something different, because even with these clamps tight, it's not staying tight. And then I got one big issue. The big issue is this. The few times I drove it, I came back, I found oil underneath the car. I thought it was my main seal still. It wasn't. It was actually my transmission. So see that there's some oil right there? That's transmission oil, and as it sits for a while, it's gonna drip some more. So I sent pictures to Silver Sport, and we both think that it's the front seal. So they already sent me new seals. I think realistically I can have this transmission out of here in half an hour, fixed, and then probably another 45 minutes to an hour putting it back in. So my plan is to take it out this weekend, or not this weekend, this week. Today it's like gonna be over 100 degrees. It's already like 93 right now. We went from like cool right to almost 100. So gonna change out that seal, hopefully have it all going by next weekend, and then we can start working on other stuff. I'd like to get the shifter boot on. I'd like to take care of this. I have a set of subframe connectors. I have still lots of plans, but I just want to get it where I can drive it without any issues. And so far, it's running and driving fine, as you can see. Suspension's a little soft, that's why it bottomed out at that one spot, but we'll get it figured out. It's running. We good. We'll fix it. I'm like the professional TKX puller outer now.